But our Zoom 10 sky cams have been outdone this evening. This is Storm Patrol weather video. I'm going to set it up for you. It was from yesterday at about 4 o'clock. That's the Fox 4 tower on the right-hand side of your screen. There you go, bingo. Lightning video from Pine Island Road heading westward. That was Jim Roach, a Storm Patrol member, showing you that lightning hitting our Fox 4 tower. Let's cycle through it one more time in case you missed it the first time. That's just great stuff. It's amazing he caught it. Holy cow. I know, isn't that great? We're going to put that on the internet, too, if anyone else wants to see it. We're lucky to still be on the air, for goodness sake, to get a lightning strike like that. 76 degrees.